It's me, Ray Ray. So today there's fireworks right now.
Oh! That's so cool! Look at this, look at this. I'm flying in, I'm going. Oh, it stopped. Okay, every time I want to fly in, it stops.
There's a fire.
I know.
Look down. You don't see the fire. Where's the fire?
Right there.
Dude, I
It's
can
Yeah, it's
see
dying.
his phone light, but the Papa can light it again. He's just looking on.
I know.
Isn't that kind of a cool photo though? He's doing it.
I mean, the
he threw it
that,
again.
that looks cool. That really looks cool.
Wait,
though.
look, he threw one in there.
Oh!
He threw one in the brush. I know.
That's a terrible but great idea for a YouTube video. But
No,
terrible.
actually, later you're gonna get. He should. You're gonna hit the jackpot.
They don't
I'm gonna
realize
trending. I'm gonna be
they
a
don't
trending.
realize how much money they're making you right now.
Sorry, or something. They actually should throw it in the fire, the firework, and then when it goes out, it'll make
Yeah,
it
that's probably what's gonna light it.